Hello and welcome to the session. Here we will be discussing about drilling and reaming small dia holes to accuracy and correct location for fitting. Let us get into the video now.
Objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to file flat surfaces and parallel to an accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 mm. Mark off dimensions with a vernier height gauge. Measure dimensions with a vernier caliper. Drill through holes as per drawing. Ream the holes and assemble with dowel pins. Introduction to drilling and reaming. Drilling is the first step of hole making. It is a process of making holes in a solid material. The machine used for drilling is called as drilling machine. It is applied for holes of lower grade accuracy and surface finish. Reaming is another cutting process that uses a rotary cutting tool to create smooth interior walls in an existing hole in a workpiece. The reaming method removes very less material than drill. The main purpose of reaming is to create smooth walls in an existing hole. Points to be noted before drilling any workpiece. Select the correct size drill and put into the chuck and lock it finely. Use high speed for small drill and soft material. Use low speed for large diameter drills and hard materials. Lay out the location and mark it with the center punch. Hold the workpiece firmly in the vise on the machine table and clamp it directly onto the machine table. Once drilling is started, apply the required pressure and continue drilling. While drilling steel, apply cutting oil at the drilling point. Release the pressure slightly when the drill point pierces the low wet surface of the metal in order to prevent damaging the work and drilling machine. On completion of the drilling, retrace the drill out of the work and put off the power supply. Tools required: steel rule, hacksaw frame with blade, scriber, dot punch, center punch, flat smooth file, vernier caliper, vernier height gauge, dowel pins. Drill bit 5.8 mm, hand reamer 6 mm. Material required: raw material MS flat 60 mm into 60 mm into 10 mm. Marking and locating the hole position. Check the raw material for its size. Observe the given raw material carefully. Check whether there is any formation of rusting, corrosion, and scaling on all the surfaces before doing any job. File one flared surface and two adjacent sides at right angles to each other on both pieces. Apply marking media on the surfaces of the job. Marking media is a substance that is applied on the surface of the metal to distinguish the marked line clearly. Marking out is preliminary work of providing guidance lines and centers before doing job. Mark the dimensions and the hole location with a vernier height gauge. Vernier height gauges are used in metrology and metalworking to detect or measure vertical distances. Place the object to be measured on the work table and move the jaw up so that it rests gently on the top surface of the object. Adjust the lock screws to hold the slider in place. Now, read the reading on the display to find out the height of the desired object. Punch the witness mark using dot punch. Dot punch. The angle of the punch is 30 degree or 60 degree. The 60-degree punch is used for marking witness marks and is called as dot punch. Punch the whole location using center punch. The angle of the point is 90 degree in a center punch. This punch is used for locating the centers of the holes. The white punch mark gives a good seating for starting the drill. Remove excess material by sawing on all the sides and file to size 58 into 58 into 9 mm on both the pieces. Measure the dimensions with a vernier caliper. Clamp both pieces together on the drilling machine vise and keeping parallel blocks under the job. Here, we have to use parallel clamps for holding both jobs. Drilling in part 2. Using a center drill, locate the hole position and drill up to 1 mm depth. Without changing the position of the job, remove the center drill and fix a dia 5.8 mm drill and drill through hole. Similarly, drill the other 3 holes. Remove the job from the drilling machine and ream the holes using hole 6 mm hand reamer by holding in a vise. Fix the 4 dowel pins in reamed holes. Check the squareness of dowel pins and correct location. Apply little oil and preserve it for evaluation. Recap.
So now we can have the recap of what we have discussed in this video. File surface is flat and parallel to an accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 mm. Mark of dimensions with a vernier height gauge. Measure dimensions with a vernier caliper. Drill through holes as per drawing. Ream the holes and assemble with dowel pins. Try this with the help of your instructor. Thank you for watching this video.